Good morning viewers, how are we doing? So like I promised the last time, I said I was going to show you guys how I prepare. I was going to explain how I prepared that last fried rice. As you can see, it was looking yummy, like it was enticing even without eating it. So why do you think it is called fried rice? It is because the rice is being fried. We fried the rice, okay? We fried the rice, so that is why it is called fried rice. So the best thing to do if you want to cook your fried rice and you want to preserve it, you don't want it to get spoiled easily, what you will do is that you get your clean pot, add the quantity of groundnut oil you want to use, the rice that you have washed, fry it. That is the logic. You fry it is called fried rice. Then you add your curry, your pinch of nut, you add the quantity of curry that you want to add it to it, add like 2 pinch of nutmeg, add your, I don't know the type of seasoning that you want to use. You can use Maggi, you can use any type of seasoning that you want to use, but make sure that you don't use red color. Don't use red color and don't use green color. Just use something that is neutral, like normal Maggi, no Terra, or any other one that you think you want to use, but don't use anything colored because it's going to change the color. So let's continue. So after that, you are going to put little amount of water. After frying the rice, it's not that the rice that you fry is not going to get burnt. Just fry it, then you put little amount of water inside the pot, cover it, let it steam, but make sure that it is not too done. Like just make it half done, make it dry. You don't need to remove the water, no, you don't need all that. Let it dry, like let it dry. Don't worry, that starch that you are scared of, because you have fried it, it's not going to affect it again. So make sure that it's half done, then you set it aside. Make sure you open it so that it doesn't get soggy. So set it aside. All the veggies that you have cut, your carrots, your spring onion, your green pepper, and all that. Then you can use kidney, or you can use beef. You will dice it, or chicken, whichever you want it. You know, some people will even use egg. They will fry it. So fry all these things, like just don't let it be too done. Fry it a little bit. Then when you are frying, make sure that you add little seasoning. Maybe you want to add 1 Maggi or whatsoever for it to taste. Add salt, little salt. So then you're cooked, something that you have cooked, that rice that you have cooked. Now you are going to pour everything that you have fried. You are going to pour it on it. You pour it inside. You mix it a little bit. Then your sweet corn and your red kidney that you have cooked, you now put it. I'm telling you, it's going to give you a perfect result. Just try it. When you get home, try it, but make sure that you don't use green color. Fried rice is not about the green color. It is the veggies that make it green. You don't need to be too green, you know. But after putting all the veggies, like your green, your peas, your sweet corn, your carrots, your green pepper, with all that, your spring onion, everything is going to make it green, so you don't need to put green color. So this is it. You can try it at home and let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Please try to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye.